everyone, welcome back to my channel. Kami si Cinco at nasa report namin sa Saudi sa BGC. After a busy week, minsan kailangan lang talaga equality time, fresh air, at Saudi ng tayo. Ang ganda talaga na ambil sa BGC sa gabi. Wow, super peaceful. Perfect place para mag-unwind at take kahit simpleng lakad pa. Hindi man bongga ang talaga, pero ito yung mga moments na talaga pinapalagan natin. Ayun, tama na. This is from simple things, simple joys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. God bless everyone.